Hello guys, myself Vishwa from India. I have been using a forex robot called VixiBot 3.1 which is developed by Tom, my friend from Nigeria. He is the developer of Fluoronics high frequency market. You can see the profit made by the VixiBot in last 2 days.
Check this Fluoronics bot, all the trades. Eventually you will get profit.
Yeah, this is my trading so far with a visible Flonix. You can see, you can see the robot is attached. Floronics, you can see Floronics visible. So see the name. So I deposited $970 and I made a profit of 821, and that's within 1 month. Within 1 month, you can see. So this is visible Floronics. You can see. So it's the one trading. You can see. You can see the trading so far. You can see. So see. You see. Yeah. So as it's going like this, it's going to make profit, big profit. Just leave it running. Don't interfere with it. Just leave it running. Sometimes we get to minus $100, but before the trade will close, you will see that it will give you profit. That losses will become profit for you at the end. Just leave it running. In fact, I was wondering that which kind of robot is this, man. I've never come across this type of robot in my life. So, in fact, I'm just wondering. I'm just wondering.
Hola, muy buenas. Y soy Angelo desde España. Compré hace 10 días el bot Fluoronics VixiBot y de momento en 10 días con una cuenta de 1K real he facturado $428. De momento todo según los planes.
Guys, stop playing. This is not a joke. I've been using Fixibot for some days now and see my insane profits. I've been using Fixibot. I deposited $5,000 and now I'm on $13,000 plus, closing on $14,000 today by God's grace, because this is already having a profit more than $14,000. But current sitting profit is $13,000. But as you can see my balance here, it's $14,000 plus already. This bot is insane. It's insane. I assure you that this bot works well. Although he said he uses it with Euro USD, but I decide to try it with code and it works well, perfectly well. Try it, guys, and no regret trying Fixibot.